Hi, my name's Abby and I'm studying on the HND Complementary Healthcare with Practitioner Status course. What I'm enjoying out of the course so far is the skills that we're learning and the different therapies that we are taught throughout the years. Within the University Hospital of South Wales, we are providing reflexology treatments on the haematology ward and on the palliative care ward. We are able to go in and boost morale for all the patients within. The work experience definitely helps for future aspects. We're able to put it on our CV for our experience and we're able to get a taste of what's in sight. After finishing the course, I'd like to go into clinical practice. I'd like to go more into hospitals and work more with end-of-life palliative care and hopefully improve their well-being. Cardiff and Vale College definitely helps me to achieve my ambitions. Progressing from a level 3 course up until a level 5 in the same campus definitely helped me to develop onto my course. If a friend or family member was looking into enrolling into this course or another course on the college, I would definitely give them advice just to be organised. The college provides so much support and the tutors really help you on the way to your academic learning.